Welcome! This video explains how to use Phexxi, an FDA-approved hormone-free birth control that you can use in the moment. When the mood strikes, Phexxi is ready for instant hormone-free pregnancy prevention. Phexxi is quick and easy to use. Plus, Phexxi gives you control over contraception. For your convenience, Phexxi comes in individually wrapped single-dose applicators. Before we get started, let's take a moment to review the indication for Phexxi. What is Phexxi? Phexxi is a prescription vaginal gel used to prevent pregnancy in females who choose to use an on-demand method of birth control. Phexxi is only effective when used immediately before or up to 1 hour before each act of vaginal sex. Phexxi is not effective when used after vaginal sex. Okay, let's review how to use Phexxi. Applying Phexxi is similar to inserting a tampon applicator. There are 8 simple steps to using Phexxi. Remember, Phexxi will need to be administered before each time you have vaginal sex and will be effective for up to 1 hour. And if you have vaginal sex more than one time within 1 hour, a new Phexxi pre-filled applicator must be used. Step 1. Wash your hands with soap and water before opening the foil pouch. Step 2. Remove the pre-filled applicator and the plunger rod from the foil pouch. Do not remove the pink cap until instructed. Step 3. Gently and slowly insert the plunger rod into the pre-filled applicator. Push until you feel the tip of the plunger rod connect to the inside of the pre-filled applicator. Do not push hard or continue to push after the tip of the plunger rod connects to the inside of the pre-filled applicator, as this could cause the gel to go into the pink cap. Use a new pre-filled applicator if the gel goes into the pink cap. Step 4. After the plunger rod is connected to the pre-filled applicator, remove the pink cap from the pre-filled applicator. The extra space between the gel and the end of the pre-filled applicator is normal. The pre-filled applicator is now ready for use. Step 5. Hold the pre-filled applicator at the grooved area closest to the plunger rod. Gently insert the pre-filled applicator into the vagina as far as it will comfortably go, while you continue to hold it by the grooved area firmly. This can be done sitting with your knees apart, lying on your back with your knees bent, or while standing with your feet apart or knees bent. Step 6. While the pre-filled applicator is inserted in your vagina, use your index finger to push the plunger rod down until it stops. This is to make sure you receive the entire dose of Phexxi. It is normal for a small amount of gel to be left in the applicator. You will still get the right dose. Step 7. Gently remove the plunger rod and pre-filled applicator from the vagina and throw away or dispose of the used pre-filled applicator. Phexxi should be used within 1 hour before each time you have vaginal sex. Use a new pre-filled applicator if you do not have vaginal sex within 1 hour of inserting Phexxi gel and you still plan to have vaginal sex. Step 8. Used Phexxi pre-filled applicators and caps should be disposed of in the trash. The cap may be a potential choking hazard. Now you know how simple it is to use Phexxi, an FDA-approved hormone-free birth control that you can use in the moment. To learn more, visit Phexxi.com and talk with your healthcare provider to see if Phexxi is right for you. What are the possible side effects of Phexxi? There have been few cases of urinary bladder infection and kidney infection reported in clinical studies. One of the cases was serious. Avoid Phexxi if you have repeated urinary tract infections or other urinary tract problems. The most common side effects were vaginal burning, vaginal itching, vaginal yeast infection, urinary tract infection, vaginal area discomfort, bacterial vaginosis, and vaginal discharge. Women also reported genital discomfort, pain while urinating, and vaginal pain. Some male partners reported genital discomfort. What else should I know about using Phexxi? Phexxi does not protect against any sexually transmitted diseases, including HIV. Avoid using Phexxi with a vaginal ring. Contact your healthcare provider if you are experiencing severe genital irritation or discomfort or urinary tract symptoms. Avoid Phexxi if you or your sexual partner is allergic to lactic acid, citric acid, potassium bitartrate, or any of the ingredients in Phexxi. Stop using Phexxi if you develop an allergic reaction. Please see full prescribing information for Phexxi, including patient information, at Phexxi.com. Thank you for watching this video. Once more, for more information, visit Phexxi.com and talk with your healthcare provider to see if Phexxi is right for you.